Welcome. If you want to enter notification settings in your LG K41s, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down, then tap on the apps and notifications, click right here, and here we have the options that we can adjust, but the most important thing is right here in the apps. So if you get a lot of notifications, for example from the Gmail, you have to use this switcher right here to permanently turn off the notifications. You can also enter it like that, and right here you can also adjust. With these options you can also go for the additional settings and check the account. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.